Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to convert text to SmartArt in PowerPoint. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the text and select the text box and draw a text box, and now type your list in the standard text box and now click inside the text box so your cursor is active. On the home tab click on that and you need to look over to the paragraph group. Here is the paragraph group, and then click on the convert to SmartArt button. Here it is. So a gallery of popular diagrams, list processes and hierarchies will pop up over them to see the live preview on your slide. And click the one that best fit for your data, like this one. So you can change the color from here. Just click on that and use the different color schemes from here. You can resize it from this point, like this one. So if the quick gallery does not show what you want, then right click and click on the change layout. Now in the pop-up menu you will see the full library including matrices, pyramids and relationship diagrams. And here you can change the SmartArt and then choose click to OK, and here you can see that. Moreover, click on the format and click on the range, and here you can see that align, so you can make it align center, so it will be centrally aligned in the slide. So this way you can easily convert text to smart text in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.